So this video is on simultaneous, the two ways to solve them, and I will just go through some examples of how you can do it. Simultaneous equation is used when there are two equations and two unknowns. Okay, what is an equation? For example, x plus y equals to 0. When you have this equal sign, that means it's an equation. What is an unknown? Your x and y, these are your unknowns. So when you have two equations and two unknowns, you know that you need to use simultaneous equation. There are two ways to do it. One is elimination, another one is substitution. Substitute. Okay, so I'll go through both. There are two questions. I'll be going through both of them here. Now, first example, how do I know this is simultaneous? I got two equations and I got two unknowns, x and y, right? So let's get started. Now I'll start with this is substitution. I will do the substitution method over here. So substitution, as the word says, is that you are taking one letter, you are replacing it with another thing. So you start off with, I'll just take from 1. That means I'm taking from equation 1, from this equation. 3x plus 4y equals to 5, right? 3x equals to what?
5 plus 4y
5
minus 4y
minus 4y, right? X equals to
5 minus 4y divided by 3.
5 minus 4y, the whole thing divided by 3. This is equation 3, right? I take 3, I sub into, because this one I took from 1, right? So I need to sub equation 3 into equation 2. Okay, so that means this equation 3 over here, I sub it into here. So 2 times 5 minus 4y over 3, correct? Because this is x minus 3y equals to 9. Understand? So now I simplify this. What do you get? So open the bracket, you will get 10 minus 8y over 3 minus 3y equals to 9, right? I don't like a fraction, so I times throughout by 3. So if I times throughout by 3, I get 10 minus 8y minus 9y equals to 27. Make sense? Because you do here, you times 3 here, you times 3 here. Right? Remember, whatever you do on the left side, you must do on the right side. So you get 10 minus 17y equals to 27. Right? Minus 17y equals to 27
Plus 10.
minus 10, because this is plus here, right? So you bring over, becomes minus. Minus 17y equals to 17. So y equals to
1.
minus 1. 17 divided by minus 17, you get minus 1, right? This is equation 4. Now you take equation 4, you sub into where? No, you can sub into 2, but makes it very difficult. You can sub into equation 3. Why? Because you can find x immediately. 5 minus 4 minus 1 over 3. X equals 2, right? X equals to 5 minus 4 times minus 1 over 3. Minus 4 times minus 1? 4. Okay, plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 divided by 3? 3. So x equals to 3. These are your two answers. X equals to 3, y equals to minus 1. Understand? This is substitution. I like substitution because it works for most cases, or in fact all the cases substitution will always work. Now I'll show you elimination. Okay, so now in this one I will use the elimination method. Okay, so elimination method, as explained to you earlier, is cancelling out, right? So this is equation 1, this is equation 2, right? What I'm going to do here is you must try and make either the x the same number or the y the same number. Okay, so let's do the y as the same number. So this is 3 and 2, so I must take equation 1 times 2, equation 2 times 3, correct? So that they will both become 6y. Okay, so what I will get here then is equation 1 times 2 is 10x plus 6y equals to 5. Equation 2 times 3, 9x minus 6y equals to 33. This is equation 3, this is equation 4, right? Now, this is the trick in elimination. You take 3 plus 4. Sometimes you have to do plus, sometimes you have to do minus, depending on what your situation is. In this case, why I do plus? Because if I take plus 6y plus minus 6y, you get 0, right? So equation 3 plus 4, what will you get? 10x plus 9x plus 6y minus 6y equals to 5 plus 33, correct? So plus 6y minus 6y will cancel out. Then 10x plus 9x, 19x equals to 38. X equals to 38 over 19 equals to 2. This is equation 5. I take 5, I sub into anything. I can sub into 2. You take equation 5, you sub into equation 2, you get 3 times 2 minus 2y equals to 11. Right? 6 minus 2y equals to 11, minus 2y equals to 11 minus 6, which is 5, y equals to minus 5 over 2, which is equals to minus 2.5. This is your answer. This one and this one. Understand? So you can choose elimination or substitution. Both of them work, you just have to choose which one you like. So this is the end of simultaneous equation. If you're watching this, I hope you understand. Thank you. Bye-bye.